Queensland Police launch Operation Interpose. To combat rising road fatalities, the Queensland Police Service has announced a major new initiative, Operation Interpose, a year-round road safety blitz aimed at restoring order on the state's roads. Unlike previous strategies that focused heavily on high-intensity campaigns during school holidays, this new operation will maintain a consistent police presence throughout the entire year. Addressing a growing safety gap, the decision to launch this continuous operation comes in response to a troubling trend. While the number of drivers in Queensland has surged by over 500,000, since 2019, police enforcement hours have plummeted. Data reveals a significant disconnect between road usage and oversight. Enforcement decline. Police enforcement hours dropped by approximately 46% between 2019 and 2024. The peak versus the slump. Enforcement peaked in 2019 at over 890,000 hours, but fell to just 478,143 hours by 2024. Rising toll. Consequently, Queensland's year-to-date road toll is currently 20% higher than it was at the same point in 2025. This gap in visibility has created a perceived safety vacuum. As Chief Superintendent Mark Wheeler noted, the lack of consistent patrols may have emboldened motorists to take greater risks, such as speeding or driving under the influence. Targets of Operation Interpose is designed to move away from seasonal policing and toward a model of constant vigilance. The primary objectives of the blitz include speeding enforcement, reducing high-speed violations that are a leading cause of fatal accidents, impaired driving, increasing patrols to detect and deter drivers under the influence of alcohol or drugs, general rule compliance, addressing various traffic infringements to ensure overall road discipline. The economic paradox of fines, the rollout of this operation, also highlights a complex economic trend regarding traffic infringements in Queensland. Despite the decrease in total enforcement hours and a 30% drop in the number of speeding fines issued since 2020, the total revenue from motorists has skyrocketed. In the 2024 financial year, the Queensland government collected $464.3 million in fines, nearly triple the $171.2 million collected during the 2019-2020 period. This suggests that while there are fewer individual infringements being recorded, the severity or cost of the fines issued has increased significantly. We're here to tell you, you can't do that, warned Chief Superintendent Wheeler, addressing those who may have grown accustomed to less frequent police presence. Conclusion: Operation Interpose represents a strategic shift to close the enforcement gap created by years of declining police visibility. By maintaining a constant presence, authorities aim to reverse the rising trend of road fatalities and re-establish strict adherence to traffic laws.